Worldhurst Athletic Association. Go for a bike ride. And today, we're going to bike ride home from here, I think. Pelbano Playground? What's the name of it? I think that's what it said. I so thug life. We still back. Alright, so we're in the northeast section of Philadelphia. We're near the Roosevelt Mall. I'm about, I don't know, half a mile north of that. Spring is in the air. Boulevard is not that far. That's good. That means we're getting close to home. Now, there's one of the things about driving a bike in Northeast Philadelphia is I found you don't make a turn on any street unless you can see how far down it goes. Because in Northeast Philadelphia, the streets do have this odd thing of turning on themselves. So I guess this is called Worldhurst? I don't know. I don't really, I don't know. I don't mess in the areas where the houses are by themselves. That's pretty much the way it works for me. Bradford. Okay, now, let's think about this, John. We're going to go this way. Alright, I don't know what street this is. Right here? Bradford. See, now I'm scared. This street probably turns on itself, and I'll never get home. I'll be lost forever. Okay, we're on. Actually, I am nowhere near the Roosevelt Mall. What the hell am I talking about? We're on in the Boulevard. Let's think about this. Okay, we're going to go this way. Oh, I'm thinking this might bite me in the ass. No, it's okay. So, down. All right, you can see the back of the Roosevelt Mall from here. Okay. Check out this Wawa. Ah, shit. Good thing this bike has shocks. I think when this Aldi's, this used to be a catering place, or I don't know. Right here. That was a catering place when my grandpa died. We had a party there. You know, one of those funeral parties. This is it. Barbera Land. Is Barbera the best? Boy, I guess. Mrs. Captain says that's the stupidest advertising. Is Barbera the best? Boy, I guess. Really isn't reassuring. I guess so. These cars. I don't think Barbera even owns this anymore. One day I was in the same room as Gary Barbera and Frank Kerback, FC Kerback guy. I almost lost my mind. The guys with all the car commercials. Roosevelt Inn. Uh-oh. There it is, the Hub Motel. Turn here, the Valmount Towers. It's a condominium community. Uh-oh, what happened? Why did my headphones die? This is the boulevard. There it is, the Hub Motel. A little bit busy. That bar at Steamers, that was a great bar. Well, I was only in there once. I had a great time in there one time. I don't know if it's a great bar. All right. We're on the other side of the boulevard. Uh-oh. That means we're almost home. Oh, see right here? Look, I almost didn't take my advice. I almost turned. Nope. No, thank you. Oh my God, look at this pavement. Almost to Cotman Ave. Oh, I used to drink down here. Wow, man, look at this pavement. Better off driving in the dirt. All right. All right. All right. There it is, the 14. All right, I can see Cotman Ave. Let's go, John. I rode all Pennypack Park today. It's very silly. It wasn't even a plan. I just wound up doing it. All right. Once we get here, I'm pretty sure it's pretty flat. All right. Here we are, Cotman and the Boulevard. Oh, here's another McDonald's they're fixing up. I guess they picked a good time to do it, right? Look at all these bus stops. All right. Oh, you know what we'll do? You ever see my video? It's called a Northeast bike ride. I go for a bike ride up around here. I got into a fight with a bunch of homeless guys that were camped out at this Kmart. Let's see if I don't think they're there anymore, but let's double check. Cake. Cake. Here we go. To the right. There you go. All right. Here it is, the old Kmart on the boulevard. No longer in business. The Superman of beer. There's his store. Nah, no homeless people. There it is. All right, got through here. But yeah, that roller skating rink sure is busy. Yeah. Up a hill. Down. All right. Get ready to hit Tyson. I think we're done with the major hills, the Northeast. Oh, God, is that a struggle. I don't know. People want me to go to Manayunk. I don't know how the hell I can even do that. All right, it's Tyson Ave. I think this is Mayfair. Maybe, I don't know. Battersby. And Tyson, where the hell am I? Tarsdale? Maybe it's Tarsdale. All right. Battersby Street, perfect. Let's go. Longshore. We're going to ride this hill down though. Just in case you're writing the map. Now I know you see, uh-oh, those stop signs are optional for that asshole. Uh-oh. He said, I ain't stopping. I'm going to run you the fuck over. Okay. Oh, here she comes. Why don't you hit the pavement there, Toots? All right, Nor and Battersby. Whew. Alright. Unruh. Okay, Unruh. We're close. We're close. I once dated a girl who lived on Unruh Street. And her mom was a big-time born-again Christian. Big time! And when we were dating, Meatloaf Bad Out of Hell 2 came out. And they had a magazine saying, oh, you should not listen to Meatloaf. So I read the article. And I just laughed. I was like, what are you talking? It's a Meatloaf. You're treating Meatloaf like, I don't know. It's music, you know? So anyway, me and her broke up because I was defending Meatloaf. Who the hell defends Meatloaf in anything? I saw Meatloaf in concert once. And he played the Spectrum. And when he comes out, I think he has this thing where his voice has to warm up. And he came out, and the first, 3 songs, he sounded like shit. I saw a video of him recently. And of a concert he did, in 2016 or 2015, whenever it was. And the same thing happened. He came out, and he sounded like shit. And my thing is, why doesn't he warm up his voice before he comes on stage? I think he's a weirdo, though, I think. I don't really know much about Meatloaf, except he's goofy. He's one of those guys that don't want to do movie parts. Like, he wants to be an actor, and then they say, well, you got to act in this Rocky Horror Picture Show. And he's like, oh, I don't want to be in a movie with that. With, transvestites and shit going on, you know? I don't want to be part of that. And then Tim Curry had to say, hey, stupid, just take the part. Yo, Ma, let's go for a bike ride through Mayfair, Ma. Huh? Oh, he's at the Mayfair shopping center, and he won't shut the hell up about Meatloaf. Yeah, Ma, I don't know. Nobody's talked about Meatloaf in 26 years, Ma. I don't know what the hell he's talking about. It's the Mayfair shopping center. Pretty crowded. What's going on here? Planet Fitness. The gyms are opened up. Oh, I worked there. It was a video store. Okay. Oh, here we are. Anthony. I think it was Anthony. One of my Patreon guys. Mayfair. I want to see Mayfair. All right, there you go. Tony's famous tomato pie. And of course, the Dirty Devil. Uh-oh. All right. And you know what? Oh, this is better. Give me 1 second. Let me see. Yeah, perfect. I'm going to end it right here at the original Chickie and Pete's. This guy Pete from Chickie and Pete's. I don't know what happened to Chickie, but I know Pete, sort of. Sort of, not really. But anyway, so what Pete did, he had this great idea. He said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get French fries, and I'm going to put Old Bay seasoning all over those French fries. And then I'm going to give you a cup of white American cheese. And then that's going to be crab fries. Well, make sure you hit like and subscribe. And I'll sail with you later. Toodles!